Friends, today I will be demonstrating the use of soil moisture probe, which is also called as soil moisture indicator. So nowadays, most of the farmers, especially in underdeveloped and developing nations, so they are not judiciously using water, which is one of the scarce resources in agriculture. Okay, it's not because we have plenty of water we have to use as we desire. Nothing to do with that. So we have to use what is required by the crop. If you give less water or if you give more water, there are more problems. If you give less water, plant will suffer. It is like if you eat less than what is your calorie requirement, so you will be underdeveloped. You will not grow properly. So same way plants also. Okay. If you give more, then it is also a problem. So what problem? If you give more water, nutrients will leach. Root respiration will be hampered. So plant will not respire properly. So poor respiration, poor nutrient uptake. So again there will be not normal growth. So keeping the moisture in field capacity. Hope you have learnt about field capacity. What is field capacity? Okay. So there should be sufficient soil moisture, sufficient soil air. So the balance is most important. So the idea of irrigation is to give water just to keep the plants or the soil in field capacity, which is very ideal. So this instrument is called soil moisture meter. It was invented or designed for the first time by Sugarcane Breeding Institute, which is an ICR institute in Coimbatore. So most of the sugarcane farmers were liberally using water, flooding, virtually they were flooding. There were a lot of issues in sugarcane. Similarly, so with that intention, the scientists of that institute, they started developing this particular probe. It is called soil moisture probe. There are two probes here, so which are to be inserted as per the active root zone or feeder root zone of any crop. For example, coriander, fenugreek, or multiplier onion, or any other leafy vegetable where the root system is hardly 2 inches below the soil. So that means you have to insert only 2 inches of the soil. So for example, crops like ginger, turmeric, where the active root zone is around 15 to 20 centimeter from the soil surface. That means you have to insert only 15 to 20 centimeters depth. So in any crop, say for example areca nut or coconut, mostly that is around 1 feet depth. This is sufficient for those two crops as well. So if some crop where the active feeder root zone is deeper than this moisture probe will not work. So the advantage of the probe is it is less costlier. Though it is not precise, it is less costlier. Suppose if somebody wants to accurately measure the soil moisture, they are to depend on costly instruments like lysimeters or tensiometers. So and for a farmer it is very difficult. Okay. Whereas this is very handy. So there is an inbuilt battery which is provided to this unit. You can see the battery. So this is the battery. So I think this will be sufficient for more than a year, depending on the usage. And not all farmers may not have this. No need of every farmer to have this. If one unit is there in a village, so hundreds of farmers can use the same instrument. So it is now presently, the price is around 1,600 rupees. Especially now we have heard about FPOs, Farmer Producer Organization, or grower associations. So they can have at least one or two in their institutions, and the same can be utilized by all the farmers. This is rather a decision support tool to decide whether to irrigate or not to irrigate. Okay. So there are 4 lights in the instrument, or it is LED based. You can see there is a blue LED, blue light, green light, yellow light and red light. It is like traffic signal. Red means you have to stop, but here red means absolutely no moisture in the soil. Very low moisture red means you have to immediately irrigate, otherwise plant will greatly suffer or it may die. If it is yellow, low moisture, so irrigation is required badly, immediately. If it is green, there is sufficient moisture, so no need of immediate irrigation. If it is blue, means you have given plenty of water, more than what is required. It is something like giving ಒಂದು ತಂಬಿಗೆ ನೀರನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಗು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕಪ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವಾಟರ್, ಒಂದು 50 ml ವಾಟರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು 1.5 ಲೀಟರ್ ನೀರು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಗೂ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೋರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ನೋ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಮಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Okay, now let me just what they have to insert this probe to the root zone and they have to press this. So if I press, you can see there is a blue light, there is a green light, there is a orange light and there is a red light. So I have kept 2 pots here just to show you how it has to work. So this is an ornamental plant, this is some beans. Okay, so here just by looking to this particular plant, the water is more, it is over irrigated than what is required. So if you look at this particular plant, water is less, it is more dry. Let us check what LED will display here. Let me check this plant first. So the idea is you have to insert up to the active root zone. You should have the idea about active root zone. What is the active root zone in coconut, arecanut, oil palm, cashew, rubber or any other crop for that matter. So after inserting the probe, you have to press this. See? Can you see this? It is blue. See? Horticulture college, we do not have sufficient water to irrigate the crops. But we are feeding our ornamental plants more. Okay. No. First you have to press. Okay. Sorry. See? It is more, irrigated more. Blue light is coming. Green. Okay. Okay. Even green is also more. No need of irrigation. Okay. Red is also coming. Okay. Let us try with this. Insert madakala. This is very dry. See? See? 2 extremes here. One is almost over irrigated. The other one is not at all irrigated. So laborers are not working properly in the college and teachers are not monitoring the laborers. I am jokingly telling, but if you are really worried about all these plants, you will give required care. Can you see this? So not irrigated, over irrigated. So any questions? Any questions, students? So every time it has to be washed properly. Okay? After use, there should not be any soil particles. So these are the probes, like sensors, 2 sensors. Okay. So hope you got some message out of this. Will you use this in future?
Yes, sir.
If you become farmers. Otherwise also if you become officers or if you are in agriculture field. So try to pass on this message to the growers. So let us not waste a very important resource like water. It is not only about wasting water. So it is associated with nutrient dynamics, disease development. Suppose if for a tomato, crop like tomato, if you irrigate more, or for ginger if you irrigate more, so besides nutrient uptake, reduction in nutrient uptake, there could be disease development because of higher humidity or low soil moisture. So likewise we have to use this. So any doubts? Thank you. That is about moisture meter. No need to switch on or switch off. Okay. Only thing is this probe should be protected. Ban madappa.